Welcome back everybody to the channel. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? As some of you know from my Twitch streams, I stream live every day, pretty much, twitch.tv/Gabe Barbosa. I've recently joined The Grid. It's a new stream team brought together by DNP3, and he's been so kind to help us out and try and get us connections with brands and companies that we previously haven't been partnered with. Now, most of you know that I use a Logitech G Pro wireless mouse and a G Pro mechanical keyboard. And today we're gonna be unboxing a keyboard sent to us on behalf of The Grid. So please, if you're looking for a 60% keyboard, use code GRID for Kraken Keyboard. This is the Kraken Pro 60% mechanical keyboard that we're gonna be taking a look at today. I kinda wanna open it up already. We got special colors. I believe we got white and purple. That's what me and my girlfriend chose. Let's see if we're even remembering correctly. We're gonna take a look at this keyboard and go through it. Now, the Logitech G Pro keyboard has a rating of 70 million actuations per key. The Kraken has 1 million, so I'm very excited for this. They have a series of different, They have a series of different switches that you can get with the keyboard. I just want to show you the inside of the box here. Look at this. You can see the lovely little Kraken designs on the side there. We're gonna go and take the plastic out. There's nothing else in the box, I believe. Let's see what we got here, which says KrakenKeyboards.com. That's it, that's all we got. All right, let's put the box off to the side. Take the knife off the table, put this away. We're gonna go take a look at this. Okay, let's see what we got. Maybe took away the knife too early. No, we're good. All right, we got the Kraken keyboard box here. Well packaged, I would say. Okay, so we've got our red switches. Now these are, I just wanna make sure here, these are Gateron optical switches. They come in brown, red, blue, and silver. If you don't know what these switches are, if you haven't heard of them before, because they're not the Cherry MX Reds, right? Just make sure there's no tape, there's nothing. You can actually get, in the description down below, test switches to see which one you would actually prefer. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Ooh, frick! Okay, that looks a lot cleaner than I thought. Dang! Okay, what's here on the side? Let's take this first, because I think this whole thing comes out. It does come out here. There we go. Oh, wow. Is this a full metal body? I think this might be a full metal body keyboard. Feel this. Feel how heavy this is. Isn't that nuts? Really nice. This keyboard is nice. Okay, I'll put this over here. We got the function keyless, because as you know, 60% keyboards don't have arrow keys. They don't have numpads. They don't have any of the function keys. So you need to still be able to do that, and they have a way for you to do that. And then we have over here our nice little braided USB-C cable. They also make aviator cables, which are gorgeous, gorgeous cables. I'll probably be picking one up very, very soon. So let's go ahead and toss this over to the side here. We don't need to worry about that. We'll take a look at this in a minute. Let's take this thing out of its sleeve. So we got the red switches. So this should sound very ASMR-y, honestly. Wow, this is a schwanky keyboard. Now the custom keycaps, if you guys go ahead and pick up custom keycaps, they actually, I believe, come with, let's see here, yep, all 104 keys. So even if you only have the standard 60% keyboard, you still get extra keys for extra stuff. Ooh, first clicks. Oh, that's nice. There's actually a little bit of resistance to the reds. Let me see what the actuation is for the red keyboard keycap. So we're looking at red keys. So they're the most common switch. It requires 45 grams of force to actuate. Light touch makes them a good choice for gaming and typing. Actually, that's actually really, really nice. Twitch.tv/Gabe Barbosa. Okay. Oh, dang, that feels nice. Look at these keys. This is an all aluminum, I think it's an all metal body build, man, honestly. It's really, really nice. Now, the most important part about any gaming keyboard is that these are all RGB keys. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this into a computer right now just so we can see the keys. Wow, this looks actually really clean. These are some nice keys. You know what it reminds me of, honestly? It reminds me of when I first ever got a keyboard, because it doesn't have that weird like plasticky feeling. There's like a tactile touch to it. I wonder why. Yeah, it's just the way the keycap's set. Keycaps fit the mechanical standard keyboard. They use Cherry or Cherry equivalent switches such as Gateron, Caliph. Oh, so you can actually use these switches on whatever you want. You can even put these custom keycaps on your Ducky One Mini, and they make a bunch of custom keycaps. Very, very cool, very cool, very cool. All right, now I want to plug this in. Press it. Press a key. Choose a key, press it. Doesn't that feel nice?
Yeah.
So good. All right, let me get a computer and we'll plug it in real quick. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at these together. I actually want you guys to see what's going on, so we're gonna turn off the lights here. Hey Siri, turn off all the lights. There we go. Oh, shut up. Shut your mouth. So we're on function 1 now. There are several functions on this lovely keyboard. So we're gonna take a look at all of them real quick. We'll go through the different options here. So we can actually drop or raise the brightness, which is super important for powered keys, and it actually flashes to let you know once you're at all the way bright or all the way quiet. And then we have mode 1, which is just a solid light. Mode 2, which is a lovely pattern where everything goes through its lovely pattern. Mode 3, which is a rainbow across, which is actually really nice. Mode 4, which is a cycle. You see a little spinning cycle around. Mode 5, which goes up each row. And then we're gonna go to mode 6, which I think is super sick, where it does a fade effect for every key you press. How sick is that? Let's see what mode 6 or 7 is. Oh, sick, this is the Fortnite Gamer Starter Pack. This is the Fortnite Gamer Starter Pack if you have a keyboard cam. That is awesome. Okay, let's see what mode 8 is. Oh, what? It's a wave. That's sick. Dude, okay, that's insane. I think keyboard cam is coming back to my whole setup. Holy frick, that's nice. Okay, what's mode? How many modes are there? 9? And mode 9. Wait, what? That's a sound equalizer. YouTube, is it going? Is it doing? Holy frick, that's nice. Wait, look at this. That is so sick. What? I'm so blown away right now. That is crazy. So the last couple things I want to talk about the keyboard real quick is the keyboard is fully programmable RGB lighting, so you can program it the way you want. I've got red switches in there, and you can see how loud they sound. So if you like those keyboard clicks, you're gonna love it. If you don't like the keyboard clicks, you can go with browns or blues or silvers to get a much quieter feel. My stream setup's not gonna have any issues with this. I'm not gonna have to worry about it. It should be nice and neat, but it sounds so freaking clean. The keyboard is also water resistant, so if you spill something on it, you don't have to freak the frick out. And I mean, that music reactive mode is so sick. Where is it? Is it this one? Yeah, look at that. Like, what the frick? That's so cool. Look at that. So what, it has a microphone built in, I guess? Probably just a crap microphone to hear, but that is just so freaking neat. I mean, talk about an unnecessary but amazing feature. It's just having a built-in, I'm literally looking at it in the reflection of the TV. That is so cool. That is so cool. I love it. Because I'm a pro gamer, I'll probably have it in Fortnite mode, you know? In Fortnite, what was the Fortnite starter kit? It was one of these ones. Look at this, I gotta learn how to use it. Not that one, not that one. There it is. Fortnite starter kit is wave mode. I'm adjusting things on the thing. All right, let's pull up a little typing test here. We'll just see what it sounds like with an actual typing test. I'm gonna be honest, I can't wait to game with this. I'm like super pumped to actually game with this keyboard. So excited. Again, thank you to Kraken for sending us the Kraken Pro 60. I will be coming out with an actual review of this keyboard after I've used it for a while to play all types of games, not just competitive Fortnite-esque games. I'm gonna be playing Tarkov with it, GTA RP, everything I can, just to kind of enjoy it and see how good this keyboard actually functions against other keyboard. I can tell you right now, I'm already loving the switches. They're louder than switches I go for normally. However, I don't think that's gonna be that big of a problem because the customizability of it and just the sheer fact of being a pro Fortnite gamer with a sick keyboard cam and the fact that I could literally play music and have it react to the music is just a treat in and of itself. I mean, this is just, look, this is nuts. Crazy. This is crazy. Very happy for it. What is this Windows lock mode here? What is this thing? Windows key lock. Oh, sick! That's one of the biggest problems when you're in a game. You accidentally press the Windows key, and then it kicks you out of the game. And it has a Windows lock, and it tells you when the Windows lock. Look at that. The red is not me communicating. This one. See? It shows up when it's Windows lock. That's so sick. I'm already getting used to using this keyboard. I'm so excited. Okay, review for the actual keyboard will come out. We'll give it about a month with this keyboard. Gonna bring it back up to me. We'll give it about a month with this keyboard. I wanna see how it lasts, how it functions, how good it is. Is the noise too loud? I don't think so, because I've heard some much louder keyboards. I'm excited to kind of play around with this more and see what happens. I mean, that's awesome. I'm very pleased with it. All right, guys, if you enjoyed what we just talked about, if you like the keyboard, please check out Kraken Keyboards on krakenkeyboards.com. Get yourself a nice keyboard if you want. Use code THEGRID for a discount. You'll see it in my streams. I'll be using it. If you have any questions at all, ask me on Twitter. Ask me whatever you want. Now, we're gonna do a little bit of a montage of this really freaking nice keyboard. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.